Now let's see how we can draw this baluster, and for that I will start from this bottom, and you can see the bottom one having a width of 6 and height of 2. So let's draw a rectangle of width 6 and then height 2, just like this. After that, again we have a rectangle of height 1 and width of this one is 5. So let's draw that. Now after that I'm going to explode this. So let's simply explode this, and I will delete these two lines from here. And after that, you can see we have a rounded shape here. So for that I'm going to use the fillet command. So let's simply use that. All you need is just to simply click on these two, press enter to repeat the command, click here and then here. Now after that, you just simply need to select these, click on its midpoint and move it like this. Now that we have completed this part, now we have to create this part. We can see the width of this one is 4 and height is 0.80. So let's draw a rectangle of 4 and height 0.80, and I will repeat the process. Delete it. Now you can use the fillet command. You can click on multiple. You can click here and then click here and then here, just like this. Now just simply select this, move it, click here, then match it with this. Now all you need is just to simply move this one in the upward direction by 3.10 unit. So just simply select this, just like this, and you can see we have selected the extra part as well. So you can just simply press and hold the shift key and deselect this. Now let's move it. Simply click here and then set the distance, which is a 3.10, and then press enter. Now that we are here, we have to create a circle. You can see we have to create an arc of radius 1.60. So let's go to draw, then click on arc. Then we have to select a start end radius. So simply click on this start end radius, then click on this point. Let me just simply zoom in here, click on this point, and then click on this point, this end point here. And then all you need is just to simply specify the radius. So its radius is 1.60, and then press enter. Now that we have completed this part, you can just simply select this and mirror it, just like this. So we have completed this part as well. Now what I'm going to do next is, you can see we have a similar kind of shape here, you can see. So what you can do is you can actually copy this one. So let's see how we can do that. So we have to just simply copy it. So let me just simply select this, just like this, and copy it from its mid. And you can see the distance from this to this is, you can see we have a distance of 0.80 here, then 11.20, then the total distance is 12. So simply click here, 12, and then enter. Now after that, press escape. Now here we have to take a reference of 2.30, and after that we have to draw a circle of 3 unit. So let's simply select here, draw a line, reference lines of 2.30, press enter. Then just simply draw a circle of 3 unit, press enter. So we have drawn that. Now here we have to draw another circle with tangent, tangent, radius, and the radius of that one is 6. So let's draw it and select this tangent, tangent, radius. Click on, simply select this arc and then this circle. Then just simply specify the radius, which is 6, and then press enter. So we have drawn this one as well. Now all we need is just to simply trim the parts that are no longer required. So you can trim it just like this. So we have trimmed this part. You can actually trim this part. You can see this part is required. You can trim this one just like this. You can trim this one just like this. You can just simply trim this one as well. Now after that, you can just simply select this and mirror it just like this. So we have completed this part as well. Now here again we have to draw a circle, draw a rectangle of width 3 and then height 2.30. So let's do that. Now after that we have this line. You can see we have this rectangle, which is, you can see the width height of this one is 0.60, and if you talk about this length, which is 3, so let's draw that. Select this line and then this line, delete it. You can use the fillet, select multiple, click here and then here, here and then here, press escape, select this, move it here. Now the only thing we have to do is we have to complete this part. So let's draw a rectangle of 4.40 unit. Press, sorry, press tab key and then the height is 1. Press enter. Just simply move it here just like this. And now we have to apply a fillet radius of 0.30 on this side. So let's apply the fillet radius. Simply set the radius to 0.30 just like this. Then click on multiple, then click here and then here, and click here and then here. So now you can see this is our final drawing.